Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the electronic configuration of carbon atom, the reactivity of carbon atom and the type of bond formed by carbon atom. The atomic number of carbon atom is 6 and this is the distribution of electrons in various shells around the nucleus of the carbon atom. It has 2 electrons in the K shell and 4 electrons in the L shell. Here L shell is the outermost shell and it has 4 electrons. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. Thus, how many valence electrons are there in carbon atom? In carbon atom, there are 4 valence electrons, isn't it? The reactivity of an element means its tendency to attain a completely filled outer shell. That is, the tendency to attain a noble gas electronic configuration. During the formation of ionic compounds, the elements achieve this stable electronic configuration or completely filled electronic configuration by either gaining or losing electrons from the outermost shell. In the case of carbon atom, there are 4 electrons in its outermost shell and it needs to gain or lose 4 electrons to attain noble gas configuration or stable electronic configuration. When a carbon atom gains 4 electrons, it will convert it to C4 minus anion. But this process is difficult to occur because the atomic number of carbon atom is 6. That means it has 6 protons in its nucleus. In the case of C4 minus anion, there will be 10 electrons around the nucleus with 6 protons. It would be difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons, that is 4 extra electrons in C4 minus anion. When a carbon atom loses 4 electrons, it will convert it to C4 plus cation. But this process also difficult to occur because a large amount of energy is required to remove 4 electrons from the outermost shell of the carbon atom, leaving behind a carbon cation with 6 protons in its nucleus holding onto just 2 electrons. Thus, formation of ions by gaining or losing of electrons is not possible in the case of carbon atom. And the carbon atom attains the noble gas configuration by sharing its valence electrons with other carbon atoms or with the atoms of other elements. Like carbon atom, many other elements form molecules by sharing of electrons in its valence shell. The shared electrons belong to the outer shells of both the atoms and as a result, both the atoms attain noble gas configuration. The bond formed by the sharing of electrons between 2 atoms is called covalent bond. And in the next video, we will discuss about how different types of covalent bonds are formed between atoms by sharing of electrons. Okay, thank you.